Hi guys! So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably know that I love to include glitter in my creations because it just makes things a little bit more fun. But in this video we're going to do it in a really extreme way with 100 layers of glitter. Here you can see the glitters that I will be using and also the glaze. This is a clear UV resin glaze that hardens in UV light. And since my most watched video with glitter is one with a heart shape, that is the design I'm going to use for this video. So let's get started with the first layer. Here I am putting on the UV glaze and then a little bit of glitter. And now I'm just going to leave it under the UV light for a few minutes. And after that it ended up looking like this. I absolutely love the color on this one, but we're not going to stop here. Let's add another layer of glaze, and this time some blue glitter. And again, I'm curing it with a UV lamp. And I do think that it looks pretty cool with both the blue and the pink glitter on it. And here's how it looks like after layer 3. The colors on this one are just so beautiful. And it looks even better with some glaze on it. And for the rest of the layers, I've actually decided to dip the heart in the glitter instead to save some time and avoid getting glitter everywhere. So this is layer 4, and here it is with the glaze on it. So here I am just 8 layers into it, and already it is this thick. I totally didn't think that it was going to grow this fast, but the glitter still looks so beautiful, so let's continue on and see what happens. So here's a closer look after 20 layers. And again, it is already pretty thick, so I can't wait to see what happens once we add 80 more layers. So now we are halfway through this little experiment, and here is a closer look. As you can see, it's getting smaller the more I add, but it still has a heart shape to it. But we still have 50 layers more to add, so let's see what happens. And finally, here is all the 100 layers. The top layers are not even really a heart anymore, but I still think that the color and the look of it is pretty beautiful. And what I found pretty interesting is that the layers are not completely on top of each other, instead they have a bit of an angle to them. And another thing that is pretty cool is how tall it turned out. I've actually tried out this 100 layer thing before, but that time with triple thick gloss glaze and no glitter. And as you can see, the difference is really big. And making this one was actually a lot easier too, because hardening UV glaze is a lot quicker. And that was actually everything for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it, and if you would like to see videos similar to this one in the future. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!